RandallMatthewRueff here. Today, here's excuse me, a little wrong in my throat. Here is the picture. Now, this is some wind-up toys. Uh, I am an Amazon Vine Voice reviewer, and a while back, last year, I reviewed these wind-up toys, which are very nice, by the way. You can get them on Amazon, and they're pretty nice. Nothing fancy, but I took a picture of them. I like this picture, and I'm hoping this turns out to be a good 3D picture that shows depth, a lot of depth, because the items are more toward the front, the background's in the back. So hopefully there's some depth to this, and it looks really cool. So we're gonna show you how we do it. I'm gonna duplicate this. Now, this picture is already in the 16:9 aspect ratio. So that's what we want for YouTube and other things. So I'm going to Command A is puts the highlights around everything, and then Command C is copying it, putting it in the clipboard. And then we're going to go to my Affinity Photo, which I love, my favorite photo editing software. To have a little bit of a controversy, it's better than Adobe Photoshop, to say the least. But that's another video. I just like it. It does all the things Adobe does. It just, the things are in different places. But it does more than anything I've ever need to edit in a photo. This program has always done it. So it's just, I love it. Okay. So let's go to wind up toys. Now that I'm done telling you how good the software is. So Command V puts another copy of it. Then I'm gonna turn it red. And you'll notice you got a little bit of a barrier here on the side. And then I'm going to say that flattened. And then I'm going to put another one. Make it blue. And this is where I have to pull out my red and blue 3D glasses and put them on. And then I'm going to go over here, click on this image again, just to make sure it is, which it already is. And then I'm going to, using the side arrow key, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That doesn't really do a whole lot. I mean, that's not very. There's 3D there. I don't see it. Oh, I see why. I think. Okay, I just want to do the blue one. Oh! I know why. I'm losing it. I missed a step. I'm going to take this to 60. That makes a difference. Alright, now let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. We got some depth there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, with it staying at 100%, all I could see was the top layer. And there's 6. There's back to 0. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now if you're looking down here, you can definitely see the difference between the legs and the front of the snowman. So I kind of like that, but do it down to 6. So let's see what we got. That still looks pretty good. So it's a lot closer. Now, it doesn't show depth as much as I would like, but if you definitely look at the legs down here, you can see the difference between the bodies and the legs. But the background doesn't really pop very much, so it's not too bad. But there's 7. 8. Let's do 8. 8 looks more. Okay, now over here you can see that where the wind up thingy is on this one. You can kind of see the depth of that. And so I'm going to leave it right there. That looks good. Okay, so I'm going to take my 3D glasses off. Save that flattened. And I'm going to crop it just a little bit to get rid of this edge here. Up. Hit return. Save flattened. And there you go. So the final result. And now if you put on your 3D glasses, if you took them off, and you can see the depth again of these little things you turn to wind them up. You also see the difference between the front of the snowman and the feet. And there's a little bit of depth you can see between that and the background, but not a whole lot. Now right here looks pretty cool. Let's see this little gap over here. The distance from the front here. And there you can tell. I like that. So part of it does have the 3D effect. And overall, not too bad. If you look at it real close, you can see that this brim of his hat is farther closer, or it looks farther closer towards you than this does. Let's see what else makes it really pops out. But the main thing I noticed when you first look at it is the difference between the front of their bodies here and where their feet are. That's the thing that really pops out. But it's a nice little picture. So there you have it. So until next time, I'm RandallMatthewRueff saying thanks for watching. Have a good day, and may God bless you. And that is how you turn a 2D picture into a 3D picture. But of course, you gotta have your red blue glasses. Thanks for watching.